Hey guys, it's Preston Perfect, and today I'm back. So in a couple of days, I'm going to be doing a CSGO styled battle song from CutsS website. Don't copyright me, CutsS. Please. But in all seriousness, I will be doing a review from the butterfly knife from CutsS website. Go check them out. I'll link them in the description. So yeah. Basically, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna do a review on that, and then I'm getting a Bellicomb in a couple of days, and then I'm gonna get the Spyderco. I forget the name of it. I'm just gonna put an annotation on screen right here. But other than that, I probably won't be doing reviews very often. Well, I might do some reviews. But I've gotten recently I will be right back when I found my knife. Oop. Okay, so I'm back. And I need you guys' help. I need you guys to tell me what this is. I don't even remember the name, because I got it such a long time ago. Let me get this off. That's the blade. It's like 10-inch blade. Nice handle. Nothing in there. The handle's broken, so it's clinging. That's the blade. If you guys will tell me what that is, that'd be awesome. I'd be so thankful. Sorry about that. I'm probably just going to cut that out. You guys didn't hear that. So, yeah. I'm probably going to post another video today. Stay up for that. Or stay updated. But other than that, nothing else will really be going on my channel. Except, of course, retarded videos. Which is my channel. So yeah, that's it. Peace out.